Share 2V0-91.22 real questions to prepare for VMware Carbon Black Cloud Professional Exam. 1. For ensuring data recoverability, what frequency of backups is recommended? A. Weekly full backups only. B. Monthly full backups with daily incrementals. C. Daily full backups. D. Hourly snapshots. Answer: C. 2. When configuring a new server, what is the recommended initial step? A. Set up remote access. B. Configure security settings. C. Install server roles and features. D. Update the system firmware. Answer: D. 3. How can an administrator verify that a VMware Carbon Black Cloud sensor is communicating properly with the cloud? A. Through the VMware Carbon Black Cloud console under the sensor's health status. B. By checking the sensor's status in the system tray. C. Reviewing the local event viewer on the endpoint. D. Sending a test malware file to the endpoint. Answer: A. 4. How do sensors in VMware Carbon Black Cloud contribute to its security capabilities? A. By encrypting data stored on the endpoint. B. By monitoring and reporting on endpoint activities. C. By increasing the network bandwidth for faster data transfer. D. By physically securing the endpoint device. Answer: B. 5. Which operating systems are supported by VMware Carbon Black Cloud sensors? A. Windows XP. B. macOS Big Sur. C. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6. D. Windows 10. Answer: B. D. 6. In a storage system, if multiple drives fail simultaneously, what is the likely cause? A. Network congestion. B. Power surge. C. Inadequate cooling. D. File system corruption. Answer: B. 7. What effect does changing a policy in VMware Carbon Black Cloud have on associated sensors? A. Updates the sensor's configuration according to the new policy settings. B. Immediately disconnects the sensors from the network. C. Requires a manual restart of sensors to apply the new policy. D. No effect until the sensor is reinstalled. Answer: A. 8. Which of the following features are offered by the VMware Carbon Black Cloud platform? Choose 2. A. Real-time endpoint protection. B. Automated cloud backup for enterprise data. C. Threat hunting and incident response. D. Physical network switch management. Answer: A. C. 9. When considering sensor resource usage, what is a recommended best practice for minimizing impact on endpoint performance? A. Disabling sensor functionality during peak business hours. B. Installing sensors on a dedicated physical server. C. Configuring sensors to monitor only critical activities. D. Limiting sensor deployment to non-critical endpoints. Answer: C. 10. VMware Carbon Black Cloud can collect data on which of the following? A. Clipboard history. B. Process executions. C. Keyboard inputs. D. Mouse movements. Answer: B.